So I've written a little app for IGEMS for water-only customers. If you do a lot of rectangles, be interested if you might want to test this out. Let me know your feedback. The idea would be that with one pierce you can cut a entire batch of rectangular pieces. So this would be the app, and you got two modes of doing this. You can either tell it a sheet size, XY dimensions, or you can tell it the number of rows and columns for parts you want to do. So if we do give it the XY dimensions and we give it a part size 6 inch by 4 inch, and then our sheet of 24 inches by 48 inches, and then we've got a sheet border. Over travel, it'll cut beyond the end of a row or a column by this amount, and then make a 90-degree turn, and then make another 90-degree turn to go back and complete the row or column. And then your kerf width for the size orifice that you're using. So we click on OK, so it'll show us how many pieces that'll get on the sheet. I'll also do another layout with the part rotated 90 degrees on the same size sheet. So we can see in this scenario here, get 35 pieces on that sheet with the part going in this orientation. And at the end of each row and column, we're going by that 1/4 inch over travel value, so you get nice square corners there. Up at the corners here where we transition from the rows to the columns makes this little triangular move there. So at this point, depending on the layout that you want to use, you just go to your cam tab and click on the quick button, and you just click on single and then click on the end of the line that you want to pierce at, and then you've got your toolpath on there, and then set your 00 point and create your CNC file as normal. So the other mode of doing it is to tell it rows and columns, and then it'll figure out your minimum sheet size. So if we go the same size part and tell it that we want 5 rows and 7 columns because we want 35 pieces, use the same sheet border and same over travel numbers, click on OK. So again, it gives us two layouts with the part rotated 90 degrees. So in this case here, a little bit better material utilization going this way. Same number of pieces, of course, because it's 7 by 5 rows and columns, and shows you the minimum sheet size there. So then it's same as before, and go to your cam tab and your quick button, click on single, and click on the end of the line that you want to pierce at, and then make your CNC file. So if you're interested in testing this out, you can email me, and I'd be interested in hearing your feedback. Thanks.